Yo guys, what is going on? Thank you for checking out the video. Today we are out on the Razor, gonna get a quick ride in. It's Friday evening. Phillies play soon, so we're not gonna ride too long, but I just put brand new graphics on this thing. If you can't tell, we put on new plastics last video, but then this video we put on new freaking graphics. They're not perfect by any means, but they do look pretty cool from afar. If you look too close, you'll notice all the bubbles and lines and imperfections, but it's all good. All right, pulling up to the spot. I think we're meeting one person here, and they're not here. Whew. We'll just get it in quick. I'll show you guys the graphics. Here we go, new graphics. They look pretty freaking sick, I would say. Again, you just can't get too close, then you see the imperfections, but from afar, it looks nice. This is a Calair graphics kit. The only thing is I kept the Electro & Co. front number plate. It used to be white, so I wrapped it with this carbon fiber cheap little vinyl wrap, and then I also put the square graphic over it because that graphic's meant for a CRF 50 front number plate, which is square, but I think it looks awesome. Well, I guess we'll go up here while I'm waiting for Harper to pull up on his Talaria. I haven't ridden again in like a week and a half. Oh, speak of the devil, there he is. What's good? Oh, you got some graphics on. It looks sweet, dude. Took you a couple hours? Dude, I literally just put graphics on today. You should, dude. They're so damn fun.
No, this is a brand new product.
Okay, cool. This is the Sting R, right? Yeah, I haven't ridden the Sting R MX4, only the MX3. Oh yeah, this thing pops right up. Still wondering if I want to get one of these or not. Feels pretty good, pretty stiff. This thing is crazy powerful, dude. It is weird though. Like, I wonder if he has his brake sensors unplugged. I was wondering, I thought they were on. I'm like, this feels like it's cutting power. All right, so brake sensors unplugged now. Hold up. Let's get right up to balance point here. It's weird getting used to this power though. This thing's got a lot of power. For stock, dude, this is impressive. So much more impressive than the Sur-Ron. Chasing it. All right, I'm gonna give him his bike back. All right, I'll give it back. Rolling out now on a little ride. Had to get some clips, you know, to try out Harper's bike. Man, the Sting R really is the real deal. Let's go up to an Enoch here. Whew, that one was pretty good. Honestly, probably my cleanest one yet. We got kids down here on bikes. These kids will probably know me. What's good? How we doing? What's up? What's good, boys? Yeah? What's good? I figured you guys would see it. Sorry, I don't let anyone ride it. No offense. Yeah, it's fun, man. I just put new graphics on it. What's good, dude? Electro & Co. The kit costs like $1,500. What's that? Can I wheelie?
Let me see.
Oh yeah, of course I can wheelie.
Are these the endo brakes?
Those are the front brakes, and these are the rear brakes. Yeah, so these are Maguras for the rear. It's the opposite of bicycles, you know. Ready? I'll show you some wheelies. Oh, we got a Sur-Ron over here. You can hand drag? What's good, bro? Whew. All right, down the river trail we go. Ooh, it's slick. Sorry, I just felt like I had to do that. Sorry guys, I know I've been spamming this trail in my recent videos, but it's just too fun. Get our daily circles in. Okay, so we had our fun on the trail. Now we're gonna ride back up through the city. It's always fun. Cameron, oh, I don't know if he was talking to me or not.
On YouTube.
What's that?
He follows me on YouTube.
Oh, that guy said that? Oh, no shit. One of my loyal subscribers. This takes us down to that dog park.
Bengals.
Oh, you have a Bengal? Oh, that's... Oh, wait, I've seen a photo of it. It looks pretty sweet. Yeah, I have 2 cats, too. Excuse me, puppers. Should we just go right through? Yeah, why not? Can we go over this curb? Excuse me? Safety patrol.
How fast I go? How fast it go?
As fast as you can pedal, right?
Yeah, I'm about 20.
Let's see, get up to speed. There you go, you're cruising. You're cruising. Drop the hand? I can drop the hand, I can drop them both. Thank you, thank you. It was about to just get smacked by a car, dude. Let's go, Phils. Oh yeah, up to City Hall here. Woo! Slow it down. Got any wheelies on this?
A little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah, I'm still learning.
All right. Yeah, my buddy used to have a 400 SM. They're fun.
I just rebuilt it.
You just rebuilt it? Oh shit. Oh, there you go. How's it running? It's running good?
Still here, a little tack. Probably got just a while to go.
How many miles does it have?
3,000.
3,000? Oh, okay. Why'd you have to rebuild it so soon?
Riding with no oil.
Oh shit, that'll do it. Riding with no oil. There we go. There you go. All right, we're gonna go to a different part of the city, I think, to ride. Just continue our explorations here. Let's get some swervies here. And take this turn. A little, yeah, slow down and just cover your rear brake. There you go. So you pull it up, tap the rear brake. Pull it up, tap the rear brake. Because you need the muscle memory. Okay, so this should take us back to the place we're looking for. Oh, that was a big bump. Yeah, there's a weird little place back here that we've been before, so let's go check it out again. That's weird. I just had like a power cutout.
That was very odd. Is this just like really hot?
It's easier for me. Oh, perfect. You got big wheels. You can ride over it. Are you good?
Yeah,
All right, that's one.
I got it.
There we go. Definitely stings though, I'm sure. Let's hope this stops cutting out on me. I really don't know why. So I'm just gonna continue to rip the shit out of it. What's that? Oh, sketchy. Yep, something's my motor. All right, guys, well, we made it to this little trail back here. It seems that my GoPro is gonna die, so thanks for watching this video. I'm gonna keep riding. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of the new graphics on the new plastics. We're getting them dirty today already, so, ooh, muddy too. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So much more to come. This freewheel still needs to get welded, so keep an eye out for that. But I'll catch you next time. Peace.